If you've ever stood in a workshop staring at 3 different KeyDIY devices and wondered why they even exist side by side, you're not alone. On paper, the KD-X4, KD Max, and KDMP all sound like they do similar things, but in real-world use, they behave very differently. And choosing the wrong one can mean wasted money, extra hardware, or getting stuck halfway through a job that should have been straightforward. Welcome back to Baabji Motors. I'm Hussein, and today we're clearing up the confusion around these 3 KeyDIY tools so you know exactly what each one is built for, where it shines, and where it simply isn't the right choice. This video is purely educational and informational, based on practical workshop use and current tool capabilities. Trademarks belong to their respective owners, and you should always follow manufacturer instructions and local regulations when working on vehicle security systems. Here's the big question I want you to think about as we go through this. If you could only invest in one KeyDIY device today, which one actually makes sense for your kind of work? Stick with me until the end, because there's an important clarification that often gets overlooked when people compare these tools online. All 3 devices sit under the KeyDIY ecosystem and focus on smart key generation, remote creation, cloning, and key addition for modern vehicles. You'll see overlap with brands like Toyota, BMW, and the Volkswagen Audi group, but the way each tool approaches the job is very different. Let's start with the KD Max, because this is where many technicians begin. The KD Max is a standalone handheld remote generator with its own screen and Android-based interface. It's designed primarily for recognizing keys, generating smart remotes, cloning common transponders, and simulating remotes across a wide range of vehicles. For everyday key and remote work, it's solid and reliable. However, once you move into more advanced vehicle learning or on-vehicle programming, especially with newer VAG platforms, the KD Max starts to show its limits. In many cases, it needs to be paired with additional hardware like the KD Mate to complete learning or matching steps. On its own, the KD Max generates the key, but it doesn't always finish the job inside the vehicle. Now let's talk about the KDMP, which is probably the most misunderstood of the 3. The KDMP is not a full key programmer at all. It's a specialized data reading tool designed mainly for certain Volkswagen Audi group anti-theft systems, especially MQB48 and older MLB platforms. Its job is to collect original key data from the vehicle or key system. That's it. It does not generate a new key. It does not learn the key to the car, and it cannot work alone. After you collect the data with the KDMP, you still need another device, such as the KD Max with the right accessories or the KD-X4, to actually generate and program the new key. Think of the KDMP as a companion tool for very specific VG jobs, not a general solution for daily workshop use. This brings us to the KD-X4, which is the newest and most complete option in the lineup. The KD-X4 is designed as an all-in-one professional key programmer, often described as a multi-in-one replacement for several older KeyDIY tools. It combines the core functions of the KD Max, KD Mate, and other supporting devices into a single unit. That means recognition, generation, cloning, matching, and programming can all be handled from one device, either standalone or connected through an app or computer. Where the KD-X4 really stands out is advanced vehicle support. It handles many Volkswagen Audi Group MQB and MLB functions directly, including 5C and 5D key operations, without needing the KDMP in most cases. It also expands into newer BMW platforms, supporting systems like BDC2, BDC3, and BCP, which are becoming increasingly common in modern workshops. On top of that, it adds newer features like ultra-wideband key detection and broader Toyota key support. For technicians who want one tool that covers as many scenarios as possible with minimal extra hardware, this is clearly the flagship device. To put it simply, the KD Max is best seen as a capable remote generator and basic key tool that may require extra accessories for advanced jobs. The KDMP is a niche data extraction device built specifically for certain VG security systems and cannot function on its own. The KD-X4 is a full-scale professional solution that replaces multiple older tools and handles most tasks directly, making it the most future-proof option in the lineup right now. So let's answer that question from the beginning. If you want maximum coverage, fewer cables, fewer add-ons, and less switching between devices, the KD-X4 is the smartest long-term investment. If your work is focused mainly on generating remotes and handling standard keys, the KD Max can still make sense. And if you already have a setup and only need to extract data from specific VG systems. The KDMP fills that narrow role. My personal take is this. For a modern workshop that deals with mixed brands and newer vehicles, the KD-X4 simply saves time, reduces complexity, and lowers the chance of getting stuck mid-job. That said, I know some technicians prefer modular setups, so I genuinely like to hear where you stand on this. One useful tip before you go. Always check software update support before buying any key tool. Hardware matters, but long-term updates are what keep a tool relevant as vehicle security systems evolve. If this breakdown helped clear things up, hit like and help us push this video toward 1,000 likes. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. Let's aim for 100 comments on this one. Subscribe to Baabji Motors if you haven't already, because only a small percentage of viewers are actually subscribed, and that one click genuinely helps the channel grow, reach #1 in this space, and continue producing detailed, research-driven content like this. These in-depth comparisons take real time and effort, and your support directly makes them possible. And if you relate to this kind of hands-on workshop content, share the video with someone who's been confused about KeyDIY tools too.